Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to quickly and easily find the XAUUSD or gold versus US dollar chart on TradingView, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type to bring up the XAUUSD chart, so you can dive right into your technical analysis or price tracking with total confidence. Let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. You can do this from any web browser on your computer or even your tablet. If it's your first time on TradingView, don't worry, the interface is modern and pretty friendly, but there are a few menus and buttons that can be a little confusing until you've used them a couple of times. Take a deep breath and let's walk through it together. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look up at the very top of the screen for the navigation bar. Up there, you'll see a menu labeled Products. This is where TradingView keeps all its main features and sections. Think of it like the doorway to different rooms in a house. Go ahead and click on Products. This will bring up a menu with various options like charts, screeners, and more. For our purposes, if you're not already in the charting section, select Chart from the Products menu. You might already be there by default, but this is just to make sure we're all starting from the same place. It should open up a large chart window with a default ticker loaded and plenty of options around the edges. Now let's focus on the upper left corner of your screen. Here, where things get interesting, this is the control center for switching between different markets and instruments on TradingView. Look for the small magnifying glass icon. It's usually right near the ticker symbol or the market name that's currently loaded. The magnifying glass is a universal symbol for search, so just like you might search for something on Google, you'll use this to search for any financial instrument you want to view. Click that magnifying glass and a search bar will pop right up. This is where you'll enter the ticker you're looking for. For gold versus the US dollar, the code you want is XAUUSD. Type that in, take your time, and don't worry if predictive suggestions start popping up. TradingView is pretty smart, so as soon as you start typing, it'll show you a list of results that match. You might see a few different XAUUSD listings, maybe with different providers or trading platforms attached. For most users, simply choosing the main XAUUSD chart provided by a trusted high-volume data source like OANDA or Forex.com will be just perfect. Click on the one that fits your needs and presto. Your chart will instantly load the live data for XAUUSD. And that's really all there is to it. You're now looking at the full XAUUSD chart in TradingView, ready to analyze, draw trend lines, plot indicators, or just watch price action in real time. If things look a bit overwhelming right now, don't worry, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become navigating around. Thanks so much for following along. If this video helped you, please hit like and feel free to leave a comment if you're stuck or have any TradingView questions. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.